Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you Kingston, in and around Kingston, and this is in UK. So keep watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends and family. Hi, so we're there in Kingston today. So this is the River Thames. You can see over this side. Yeah, that's the one. We'll show you the high street also, Kingston. So this is the riverfront. So now this is the Kingston High Street we are heading towards. We'll show you around. So this is the High Street. We have just entered Kingston High Street. So there are shops around on both sides. So this is again another food zone. So loads of local foods are here. So let's just check out. This is again another side. That's the area where you get all the food stalls. I think today is Saturday, so you have loads of food stalls in the high street. So some more shops in here as you walk towards the lane. So this is another side of the high street. There are a few more shops in here. Fish. A shopping center called Eden Walk. We are going in the shopping center now and we will look in and around. You will find plenty of shops here in this place, including few food joints. This place is called the Old London Road and has got few shops, and this is basically a beautiful place. You can find some tattoo shops, some food shops. I guess it gives a feel of the old London. We are now going to this shopping mall called the Bentel Shopping Mall. This is a huge one. We will go in and then capture the inside view. Let's see what's inside. So we are on the first floor right now, ground floor.
No, we're on the ground floor. That's the lower ground floor.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the ground floor.
Yeah.
This is the lower ground floor. And 1, 2, 3. That's the roof. Vent halls. Yeah. So this is the Kingston riverside. We are now come to a beautiful park which is just beside the Thames. So as we walk along this park, we will see River Thames, which is just by our side. This is a lovely river walk, and you can enjoy this while walking. You will just see the river going alongside. Yeah, so many. Wow, awesome. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please do comment how you have liked it. If you like these type of videos, then definitely we will come with such more content for you all. If you do like this channel, please do subscribe and like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you soon again.